Welcome to Surehajj videos. This video is plastic cards design. Surehajj allows you to design any number of templates of the plastic cards that you can use in printing these cards and identities. Enjoy the video. In this video, you will learn step by step how to design any number of plastic card templates to print it in the system. Enjoy. Welcome to Surehajj by Sure Data Solutions card design form. This form is used to allow you to create any number of your own design of cards, like travel card or hotel admittance card or passenger card, whatever, just name it. The form can be reached from the admin console through that button, Cards Design, where the mouse is hovering. The form is composed of the following areas. The top area is the menu as usual. This area contains the description of the card being maintained at the moment. The bottom area is about defining the layout of the cards. And this area is just a help area where it shows you the steps I'm explaining and shows you some rules that you would expect throughout your work here. The menu is a standard menu where in order to design a new card, you click new, you get all these fields empty, where you start defining it. Suppose we say travel and accommodation card. The description, you can write any kind of description you want. I'm going to copy that. As you can see, the width is defined to be 1.9, height is 3, and that's the standard size. But you can obviously feel free to override that. But this is the standard size. We're putting it as a default here. The printer, you can select the printer that is already ready for that size of work. I'm going to select that printer. The logo, you select your logo, and the logo will be obtained from the file logo.jpg. And on the background, you can select, I'm going to select another file for the logo. Go here. So I don't want to show a specific logo for a specific client. So I'm going to select a generic one, just an example. And here is the file. And on the background, I'm going to select any background, like background. Yeah, should be like a Canadian flag. Now it's time to design the layout of the card. I'm going to put the company on the top, just drag and drop it there. You can adjust it by setting it up a little bit. You can change the color. You can set it as bold. You can get a larger font and so on. Under it, I'm going to put the full address, company full address. Move it down, followed by the logo. And here it's a specific logo for a specific one of our customers. And then you can add, for example, the passenger name. And in the passenger name, I want to do, for example, some using blue color, bold, and I can expand the name. And under that, I'm going to put the passenger photo. Of course, that's a symbolic photo. Whenever you start printing that for a real customer, of course, it will pick up the correct picture, but here it's just symbolic. I'm expanding the height. You can shrink and expand the height and width. So I'm going to shrink the width as well and center it in the middle by moving it right that way. And in the bottom here, you can add whatever information you want. And this is the form of the card front. And we are in edit mode, as you have definitely detected. Now, if you want to edit the ad, end the ad, or end the edit mode, you should see the background that you selected here already. So in order to, but you cannot adjust any field because you are not in edit mode. Once you go to edit mode, the background disappears temporarily and you can select any field, start doing whatever you want on it. Suppose this is the form I want the card front to be, and suppose I want to select a back design. The back design is a previously designed card layout designed by you guys. You can select it from here and say, okay, I want that to be my back. It's pre-designed the same way as we do now. Now that's all what you need for the card now. You can just save it. And the card now is saved successfully. And you can definitely pick it up from the list where you can start editing it again and so on. That card is just the design. And obviously I can see here, for example, this logo needs to be a little bit shrinked horizontally. So I'm going to shrink it this way vertically, and I'm going to shrink it as well horizontally this way and center it. Okay, and then save again. After saving the card now is ready to be used through the applications. So you can select any group of passengers and say, select that type of card and print them all. They will be printed following up that pattern. It's an easy thing. Thank you for watching. There are buttons here to test the printer, the printing of the card. And this is again another test for the layout. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.